Gain muscle without looking bulky with this 5-minute bar workout designed to build upper body strength. You only need 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week to a toned upper body and arms. Let's get started.
Today we're going to be covering upper body strength. All you'll need is a ball and a mat. Let's begin. I'm going to have you come down, taking that ball to your pubic bone area. You're going to settle over that ball and bring those elbows underneath the shoulders. Now I'm going to take a little tug of my pubic bone into my ball here. So scooping the belly, and I'm pressing out of the floor. I do not want to sink my shoulders down. I want to keep this press and keep this tuck. I'm going to press through the palms here and slowly lift my elbows an inch off the floor and lower. And we're going to stay here. Tiny, tiny lift. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lower those arms. Now form a triangle with your index and thumb, index finger and thumb, elbows coming to the side, and that little triangle will be right in front of your face. I'm keeping my collarbones wide, my head in line with the spine, and I'm going to begin here, a tiny lift, taking those elbows just off the floor. Lift an inch, lower an inch. 4, press 5, press 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lower the arms. Hug those elbows back in, and now slide them forward just a few inches. Collarbones stay wide. Be careful if we're not rounding in here. Keep that pubic bone tucked and press out of that floor for 1. Tiny press. 2, 3. Should feel warm in those triceps and shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Hold for just a moment. If you need to take a quick stretch here, you can. But you walk it right back to where you were. Arms or elbows slightly in front of those shoulders. And now we're going to take it backwards. Pressing for 10, 9, 8. Check the position of your head. Make sure it's in line with the spine. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and walk it back. Find your little triangle right in front of your face and lift for 10. Check in with those shoulders. 8, 7, press 6, should be on fire by now. 4, 3, 2, 1, lower, and walk those elbows in. One more time, pressing here for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down, press it back. You can take this to a quick child's pose. Stretch out those arms, give it a little shake, and roll your ball to the side. We're going to finish off here with a quick push-up series. Walking those hands slightly forward in front of the shoulders. I'm going to shift my weight to bring those shoulders over the wrists, fingertips wide, and I'm hugging my elbows in. If you do yoga, this would be like a chaturanga. We're not going to go super low, but I want you to keep the core engaged, collarbones wide. I'm going to bend those elbows here for 5. Press 4, 3, 2, 1, and press those hips back. Press the floor away. Scoop it up, coming back to your plank position. Now find your triangle again. Tiny push-ups here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and press it away. Stretch out those arms, scoop and roll it back up. Now take those hands nice and wide, about mat distance apart. Shoulders over those wrists. And let's take it down here. 5, press that floor away. 3, 2, 1, and press it back one more time. Holding here for just a moment. Sit back towards those heels. Take this to a nice little child's pose. and let those armpits sink towards the floor. If you'd like, you can get deeper by opening the knees, sitting deeper towards the heels, and sinking a little deeper towards the floor. Just take a couple more big breaths here. Nice deep inhales, nice deep exhales. Press those fingertips into the floor, and slowly as you inhale, scoop that belly, drag the fingers as you roll it up. And that does it for today. Thanks for joining me.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.